Hey, Yibun here. If you like this video, remember to give it a like and consider subscribing. Now, enjoy the video. Uh, babe, uh, are you awake? Hey, sorry. I didn't mean to wake you. It's just, uh, uh, what? No, I'm not scared of the thunder. Okay, fine. I'm freaked out. Dude, shut up. Can't you see my tail? The rain is stressing me out. Look, you need to help me, okay? I wrote you up because I need you to cuddle me. Yes, cuddle me, please. I need to hide from the thunder. I, well, I was going to bury my face in your chest, if that's okay. Yeah, thank you, please. Mm, mm, okay. Okay, this is very nice, babe. Yeah, feeling your heartbeat up against my ears, it's making me feel better. uh, thank you for the head pats. Yeah, you know how much I like it when you massage my ears. uh, would you mind kissing my forehead too? Thanks, babe. This is still really scary though. Please hug me closer, please, please. Mm. It's so loud. It's so loud. It's so loud, and my sensitive ears just. What? Why are you laughing? Come on. I'm scared. It's not funny. What? You think I'm cute? I'm not trying to be cute. Mm. I don't like that you're laughing, but I guess I like making you smile. And it's also getting my head off of the fact that the thunder is getting louder. Uh, mm, okay, let go of my cheek. Any more pinching in my face will turn red. mm, yeah, I'm cute. You've said it before, you've said it just now. Enough. Okay, now, give me more head pats, please. Mm, okay, I feel much better now. Um, can you call me baby too? I know you usually do. I just want to hear it. I like listening to your voice. It's very calming. And I like it when you call me baby. Mm, yeah, just like that. I love it when you call me that, baby. Thank you. Mm, The thunder is still really scary. Babe, you'll always be here to protect me, right? Good. I want you to stay with me forever. Or at least until the thunder goes away. Is is that okay? Yay. I love you, babe. Now, can you cuddle me more? Mm, mm.